using a place, I mean, using an app or an, website where you can directly go and create your websites. So if I talk about that place is basically Emergent.ai. It is a platform. Here you can select the models which are available like GPT-5, Claude. So Claude is from Amazon, AWS. Okay. So you can ask to build a game, you can ask to create a website or anything, whatever you like. So I'm going to write here, create an e-commerce or create a luxury brand shop website for me. Okay. And paste it publicly. And you just have to put in your timer. It is that easy. It is going to create beautifully. You just have to wait for some time. So you can see it is still working. See, it's telling you, welcome to Emergent, your single destination to build and deploy production-ready applications, a luxury brand shop website. You're looking for elegant online storefront, truly reflects prestige of your brand, and so on. So see, now it is start building this now. That means what is the agent doing here? Here the agent is thinking. You remember that chain of thoughts? That is happening inside the agent. Okay, so now the agent is asking, please answer it to further. I'm excited to build your luxury to create product type. What luxury products you will be selling? A fashion, apparel, jewelry, accessories, skincare, home decor, furnishing. So I will say fashion, accessories. Okay. E-commerce, what do you need? Full shopping features? Yes, shopping cart. No, just showcase. So I can write here, yes, full shopping features. And what are the key features? Product catalog with filtering search, detailed pages, user account wish list, admin panel, product catalog. Okay. Do you have any brand logo, a specific color, product image? Okay, can I put it like black and golden theme? Okay, it's asking which payment provider. I will say PayPal. User sign up, emergent Google social login, or guest checkout only. Guest checkout only. Product images, should I use for luxury? Yes. Do you need admin dashboard to manage product orders and on? No admin. Fine. So for image creation, it is taking some time. So since we've asked for the images, it's taking a little more time. You'll have to have some patience on this. But this is beautiful. Like once your website gets created, you will love it. Okay, got it. Perfect. Now I have the PayPal integration. Okay, and luxury accessory images. Let me start building the front end and mock data first. Okay. So 5 files it has created. If you want, you can see those 5 files. Here we have see mock, cart, header, footer, everything it has created. You can also save it in the GitHub to look at it little later on. So this is what it is doing. Now it's creating the next step. Okay, next 5 files also it has created, which talks about shop.js cart, checkout, order success, about. Wonderful. So total 10 files it has created. Now let me update the main app files to integrate everything. Okay. Wait, I think it's still asking me to wait. Yes. Can you see here? this one, navigator. You have this one. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay. If you can see here in the jewelry section, you have these many jewelry items. And then you have the belts. This the belt available. And then you have the sunglasses. Wow, it's so beautiful, right? So this is how the shop looks like. Get about the about situation, our story, our philosophies, our values, quality, all these things are there. You can see shop, support, connect, the brand name, and see whatever you're going to purchase, you will find that cart is there. You have the home button, timeless elegance. See, I told them to make a black and a golden collection, correct? Black and golden theme. So can you see it has been there? You can explore the collection like this. It's looking so good. Yes. Now it's in the right shape, correct? So home is there. Suppose I want to add this, or maybe I want to add the Rolex one. Let us see, is that no? So it is the cart is empty right now. If you add also, it is not getting added. That means it is just a dummy. You have the about section and wow. It's a wonderful website to talk about it. And don't you think it's a beautiful creation? Yes?
Lipika?